Okay, this is the dance audition step-by-step instruction video for Creekside, Mary Poppins. We're starting with the feet together, toes and heels. You're going to scoot up with blade hands just above the shoulders for the first count. And then you're going to lunge over to the left, and you're going to kind of make an upside down L at your fingertips to kind of frame your face. Then you're going to lift your right foot up, and you're going to slap the thigh and then go up to the hands with the left hand with the right hand. Then you're going to hit the back of your foot and then slip the side over here and hit it with the left. So hit and hit. So the first four counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Then you're going to go to the right, pretty hand, up to the right, lunge to the right, and then up this way to the left. Then you're going to do the passe is going to come up here, so the left foot's going to come to the knee, and you're going to do a little pirouette with the hands going to cross at the wrist, jazz hands. So we're here, just do a full turn, and then straight back out. So the first 8 counts, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do, you're here, jazz hands are down. You're going to go swim to the left and swim to the right. Just swimming meaning like fish to the side. But I want them to be blade hands and nice and clean. And then switch to the other side. Then you're going to take your left foot and you're going to cross it over the right. And your right hand is going to go up to the ear and then back to the shoulder as you ball change. So ball, change. Then you're going to wrap as you the left hand around to the side, to the right side. Left hand across to the right. So we're like this. As you step out left. So it's cross, shoulder, side. If you're facing here, cross, shoulder, side, if I'm mirroring you. Okay? So after that, cross, shoulder, side, hit. So we're going to do like ballet arm up left, and then across this way. You're going to be lunge to the left. Then you're going to do an inverted lunge, look up at the left hand and flip the wrist so that your palms are facing out, and then pop right back to the front. Okay, so the second 8 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's, it's 1, 2, we do this first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from the beginning, it goes supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious. Okay, on the next set of 8, if you say it loud enough, we're here, and you're just going to go down with the arms and kind of go out to the side, and then as your left foot drags in, you're going to cross, go up to passe, kick straight out, and then touch behind. There's no weight, though, when you touch behind. So passe, kick, and then like a dig. You're going to just touch that weight, but keep all the weight of your body on the right foot, because we're going to hop on that. Step hop to the left. Okay, so step left, hop right, and then when you cross, you're going to put the heel down. It's the right heel is going to cross over, and what do we call a Susie Q? So you're going to turn on that foot as you cross. So we're right foot, weight, dig behind, left foot, step, hop. Hop means you lift or jump off the left foot, land on the left foot. Then put your heel down across, turn around on that heel, and now you're facing the right, and then you're going to do a ball change, ball change. So your heel's here after you turn. This switches weight from the left to the right, and then right back to the left. And you cross the left over. From the beginning, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And then we have one more count of 8. So our foot's crossed. We're going to go from the right foot in front to the left foot behind on the other side. So watch again. You're going to ball change right, left, and then right, left. Left foot points out. Okay, except for don't point. We're going to go here with the heel. Then cross, touch. So ball change to the left, ball change cross to the right. And the arms are literally just going to go in to jazz, parallel to the floor, and then in, when you cross, cross here, and then out. And then at the end of this, you're going to be looking down, and then just pop your head up and give like a big cheesy expression at the end. The choreography will continue after this, but just those 4 sets of 8 are all we're going to do for the audition. So even though the music will kind of continue, there's no choreography for the audition. So that's all you have to do. Let's go from the beginning with counts, and then we'll go slowly from the beginning with words. 5, 6, ready, here we go. We go up, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here, I didn't really say this, but the elbows are going to like chug back when you do step, hop, cross, Susie Q, ball, change. And as you get the Susie Q to the ball change, the hands are just going to switch in opposition. So as you're doing the Susie Q, the left is here, and then ball change. Right hand is going to go up in a fist. And then cross, out, pop. With words, 5, 6, ready, go. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious, if you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. Supercalifragilisticpop. And during that, you're going to hear in the recording, Jane and Michael have a little solo, and the music kind of stops. So it's like, supercalifragilistic, and then they sing by themselves, supercalifragilistic, and then we go to the big end, which we're not doing for the audition.